Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 20th, 2020. You are at a great location to get a understanding and forecast of where the trap is going to try to take the value of the cryptocurrency market. We're going to do a video today on Polkadot. It's been about 3 days since we did our last video for this currency, so we're going to update you all today on this video. Now, if you guys appreciate our content and our videos, make sure you guys continue to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then share the video. We want to make sure everyone gets the opportunity to get a heads up as to where the market is likely to go before it actually gets there. That's our whole purpose and our premise of having this particular platform, is to give you all the news according to the charts. So the last time we did our video in Polkadot was on September the 17th, 2020. We expected the market to go higher, but you know what? We also stated that that horizontal line you guys can see on my chart was restriction. And the next day after we did our video in Polkadot, the market came and tagged that area out. That's exactly where we had our TP at, right there around $5.50. So we're not surprised to see the market unable to break above that price level. We anticipated that to happen. Once you understand price charts, you're able to foretell what the market is likely to do. So we said TP was around $5.50. So it's about 7.18% profitability from the 17th video that we did, September 17th. Now that's over. We need to talk about what occurred since then. We need to look at the performance of the market trap since that day, because there have been some things that has changed in the market for Polkadot. First thing that you can already tell is that on yesterday's trading day, the market broke that ascending line. So what does that tell you? You're right. The market is weak. So we're not expecting any strength to come out into the market in Polkadot until we see a reclaiming of higher price. Next thing, $5. You guys can see, let me try to see, zoom in real quick. So from the 15th, 16th, and the 17th, the market in Polkadot held $5 as support. So not only did Polkadot break this ascending trend to the downside, also it broke support at $5. So those are two strikes already for weakness. So what's strike three? Strike three is seen on the weekly time frame. Last week was very positive to see Polkadot close on the high. Well, here we are. 6 more hours left before the weekly price bar concludes, and we're closing at the low. So it tells me that the weakness is still in control for the most part in Polkadot. So this is the third strike right here. This weekly time frame shows us that even in the long term, the market in Polkadot, at least on the Binance exchange, is leaning more towards weakness. Monthly time frame, again, 2 months in on the Binance exchange, and we saw a massive movement higher for August. In September, we're coming right back down. So the expectation in Polkadot, it's not strong. We're not forecasting to see this market in Polkadot go higher in price, not yet. But when you look at the market on the 4-hour chart, take a look right here. You guys can see that we're trying to get some support to come into the market in Polkadot, which is literally right here at $4.50. Looking at Polkadot on the 3-hour, we're getting an increase in volume on these two 3-hour price bars. So the trap, he's being active right now. Either he's consuming all of the selling that's going on in Polkadot, or he's trying to sell out his positions. This is what the market is going to do going forward. And the reason it's being is because of this area right here. That consolidational trading is where the market is definitely finding some activity and some volume and some participation. So definitely over the next couple of hours, we need to keep vigilant and watch the market to see how the trap acts in this particular area. I would say from $5 all the way back down to $4.20. We got to keep our eyes open on that. But either way, we're going to play this forecast for Polkadot on a daily time frame. Okay? Because we already grasped that the trend is broken. $5 also as restriction in the market in Polkadot is broken. So I'm going to move this restriction area in the market in Polkadot, right? And I'm going to place it right there around $5.10 now. So we're going to hold this area for restriction. Okay. The trend in Polkadot is now broken. So we really don't need to hold that market there. We already grasped that support is trying to come in around $4.50. Make this line a little bit straighter. Okay. So now we're going to get rid of this ascending line because in the back of our minds, you already know that the market is weak because it broke that. So we're going to grab that out. Okay. This is the last hope for the market in Polkadot to at least try to go higher in the long term. $4.50. We break this $4.50 to the downside. Understandably, we're going to come down back down to around $4.15 to $4. I'm just telling you that right now. Just giving you all a heads up. Just telling you to expect that the market breaks $4.50 to the downside. So let's go ahead and put in a forecast into the market in Polkadot of going lower. Restriction is around $5.10, right? Now, we already know that the trap is trying to hold this price at $4.50. So we'll have to TP it there. I mean, just shave off just a little bit at that particular price because literally we can see the market go higher from that particular point. So that's 2.5% profitability on the market movement lower from where we're at in Polkadot. But I'm going to extend it down to around $4.15. Now this is our expectations. This is our forecast. Now it's your turn. Where do you see the market being traded at over the next 3 or 4 days? Where will we be? Tell us with a comment in the comment section and give us your TP price. For us, our TP price would be around $4.50 because that's a pretty good area of support historically in the background of this chart. It's that simple. So tell us yours. Give us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And I will talk to you all on our next video, okay?